back to my channel. It's your girl Mariah. My dog is barking. He never shuts up. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mariah. In today's video I'm doing a hair install from Beauty Forever Hair. This is going to be a voiceover video and just a watch me install this video. I literally just finished, like literally just this second. This is my first unit I ever got sent to me for a video, so you know, clap it up for me. But oh my god, there's lipstick on my teeth, you know. But yeah, I love this. This looks super natural, even though it's red. Like I think this red fits me. Like this red looks the cut per stiff wear. Nah, I just keep watching to see how I got this look. Yeah, it was pretty quick and easy. I did this in like what, 25 minutes? Not even. The cut, the install, all of that. So yeah, just keep watching the video. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay guys, so we're starting out with this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. This is a 4x4 closure. It came in this 99J color, but it comes with a headband, super cute headband, and they gave me some wig caps, so very useful. This wig came with a silk base, or like a scalp base on the 4x4 closure, which means I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything. I literally just took this out the box, plucked it a little bit, and put it on. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the end of the video. If you guys like this hair install, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and you just watched this video and you didn't subscribe but you liked it. You got to the end, so why don't you just subscribe, you know? But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. New looks coming. Peace.